Hi friends! Welcome to our tropical coloring adventure. Today, we're coloring a refreshing coconut drink and a happy starfish on the beach. Let's kick things off with our umbrella accents. Grab number 4 for pink. We're going to add a lovely pop of color to the umbrella. Next, find number 5 for orange. This warm, sunny color makes our umbrella look like it's glowing in the summer heat. Now for the main subject. Use number 6 for brown. We are coloring the coconut shell to make it look nice and natural. Let's add some style. Find number 1 for purple. We'll color the remaining segments of the umbrella to make it look super colorful. Time for some details. Grab number 11 for gray. We'll use this for the rim of the coconut and any metallic accents. Look at that! It's our starfish friend. Use number 10 for red. He's going to be the brightest part of our drawing. Let's add some nature. Find number 9 for light green. We are using this for the little leaves and beach accents nearby. It's getting sunny. Grab number 7 for yellow. We are filling in the sand around our starfish and the coconut base. Oops! We missed a number 9 for green. Now, let's go to the ocean. Find number 2 for blue. We'll use this for the deeper parts of our tropical water. Keep going. Use number 3 for light blue. We'll blend this near the deeper blue to make our water look like a beautiful lagoon. Finally, let's add the magic. Use number 8 for white for any final highlights or bubbles. This makes our drink look ice cold and fresh. Wow! Our tropical masterpiece is finished. You did a fantastic job following the numbers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.